for this drink. So then we allow it to cook on low heat so that all the nutrients in all of these ingredients can, how will I put it, can be extracted. Yeah, will be extracted to make the drink. So for a recap, because of people that are just joining, I said this is one of the healthy drink recipe you can make at home if you have access to the ingredients. The ingredient comprises of pineapple, both the skin and the fruit. We have dates there, dates as sweetener, and the pineapple is also very sweet, especially this one I got. So it also serves as a sweetener for the hibiscus leaf that we have there. And then we have ginger, raw ginger with the skin, just cut into pieces, into smaller chunks. Then we have cucumber. And what else do we have? We have cloves there. Cloves, I think you know what that is. This is cloves. Cloves. So we have it also there. These are all powerful ingredients, great for our health, great for our well-being. And many people making this drink, they love to add sugar to it, but because I don't want to add sugar to it, I've added also my grapes, my red grapes. This is one of it. To serve also as sweetener, I have the red grapes there. I have dates also to serve as sweetener. And I have a very sweet pineapple. Very sweet pineapple. This is part of the pineapple now that I still want to munch on myself because it's very, very sweet. Oh, had it been the kids, they tasted this pineapple, they will not allow me use it to make this drink because it's so sweet, it's so yummy. This is part of the head that I cut away, and I'm trying to cut it to munch on it. It's so sweet. So it's getting cooking because I don't want it to splash on the cooker. That's why I'm not covering it. So I'll just be here monitoring it so that it doesn't get to waste and spill. I think I'll still need to reduce the heat as I'm looking at it. It's so full. We can see the color of the hibiscus now. This is a perfect drink for your summer party, for the family. If you're someone like me that is conscious of what goes into our body, to our tummy, what we consume, you can make this recipe so easy.